Hey guys, welcome back to the fastest growing tech YouTube channel. Since the beginning of this year, you'll be glad to know that you've been part of this crazy journey with us where we have seen double-digit growth. We've gone from almost 100 subscribers to over 110 now, and you really don't really have to Google this simply because I don't really have a reason to lie to you. So the real purpose for this channel was to bring to you some tech gadgets, some technology that can be used at your home and at your workplace, which can make your life a lot easier. So along those lines, we have this product from Amazon. This is the Fire TV Stick. This is the 2020 variant, the full HD model. It also comes along with the voice-enabled remote, which also allows you to control your TV along with the Fire Stick itself. So without further ado, let's get cracking and let's see what's inside the box. So we got the box, packaging, we got some information up here. It has Dolby Atmos, it supports up to Full HD 1080p resolution. It's got a dual core processor and has onboard Wi-Fi. Supports 5 GHz, which is great, so should be good for connectivity. Let's take a look at what's inside. It's got a nice pull-away tab, which I love. I need to get the cutter out for these. Can you cut it, please? With the pull-away tab out of the way, let's take a peek at what's inside. We got the remote itself. It has the voice control button. You can use this to send voice commands to the Fire TV stick and use Alexa, which is Amazon's voice assistant, which is great. It also has control for audio for your TV, the plus, the volume up and down, and the mute button. And you can also use the power button to turn on and turn off your TV at the same time using HDMI CEC. This is the USB Type-B cable. Amazon still hasn't figured out how to add Type-C to its devices, which is a bit of a bummer, but I guess it is what it is. This is the Fire TV stick itself. Let's see how it looks on the inside. Let's get rid of this packaging. Just aside for a second. That's it. It's pretty simple. It's just a stick. It's got an HDMI output at one end. It's got an USB Type-B intake for power on the side, which you can also add a LAN adapter to it if you want, which is an additional necessary. It's not necessarily required, but you could get one. Let's put this aside for a second and see what else is inside the box. Okay, this is the bendy HDMI adapter. If you've got a TV which doesn't have access to HDMI ports on the side and it's all only on the back, you can use this. Basically, the stick itself goes into the adapter like so, and this end plugs into your TV's HDMI port, and you can have this hanging on the side instead of having this straight out. We have some literature below Fire TV stick, and I think we should also have some batteries in here. Yep, those are the batteries, and of course the power adapter, which connects to the USB Type-B cable, which in turn connects to the Fire Stick itself. So that's the unboxing. This is what you get inside the box. Pretty much self-contained. You get everything that you need, including this amazing remote.